Welcome back, everybody. Today, we are not going to talk about crypto market and passive platforms, but we're going to talk about how we can help using crypto passive income to help somebody else. So, check this out. This is number 15, part 15. We help 15 families so far in the Philippines. Okay? 15 families. Imagine how many people at night, at least for a month and couple of weeks, they are not going into the bed hungry. Okay, they have a meal because of you, because of me. And again, this is big thank you for CryptoVo. Thank you so much because he did the donation for this video. His channel is down the DeFi rabbit hole. Go and support him, subscribe. Thank you so much, buddy, for helping me to help somebody else. Again, this is before we go to the video, guys. Look how they live. Thank you so much for the person who is doing the video in the Philippines. We're going to do AMA in the next month in October with her. Thank you so much for you. Look how they live. Think about where you are. Just think. Stop the video. Think how these people live. No water, no electricity. Look how they live. And they're still happy. Still happy. And don't just be happy with small things. Okay, I don't want to keep this video too long. Check this out. Very important thing. Just want to finish this quote before we go to the video. Not remember this. Not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love. Okay, that's what I'm doing. I'm only using small amounts of money to make somebody help. Okay, you don't need to wait to make money before you start helping. Help with what you have. By the way, do you know where is Mother Teresa born? In which country? She's born in my country. Go and Google and you'll find out. Okay, she is born in my country, and I'm proud of it. Okay. By the way, if you go there, you can still see the house where she was born, where it's left. All right, thank you so much, everybody. Let's go to the video. Again, CryptoVote, thank you so much. If anybody want to donate, please feel free because the donation money I have only to last for the next maybe 1.5, 2 months. And then I don't know, we need to find out. Again, thank you so much. Bye for now.
Do you know how lucky you are having a roof over your head, a food to eat, nice and beautiful life? Luxury homes and luxury foods, 3 meals a day. Magandang hapon po, dito po tayo at nakahanap po tayo ng ating matutulungan. Magandang hapon po kuya, ano pong pangalan niyo?
Si Teodulo Lasso.
Teodoro
Teodulo.
Lasso. Teodoro
Teodulo Lasso.
Lasso. Ilan taon na po kayo?
Ngayon po, 61.
61. Siya po, sino po siya?
Ito yung ano kong gusto.
Anak po siya. Ano pong pangalan niyo?
Joy.
Joy. Ilan taon na po?
Dahil 3 years yan.
Ano pong trabaho niyo?
Dati nananay ako ng pantalon. Balik sa dati na
Okay, so andito na po tayo. Nabigay na po natin yung maliit na tulong kila kuya. Kuya, sa tingin niyo po mga gaano po siya katagal?
ito, matagal to kasi ako eh. Nagpipid naman kami sa ano. Bonding yan kung ano.
Isa pong buwan, no?
Matipid
Okay.
lang yun.
Maganda po yun. Buti naman po. At binigyan ko po si kuya ng Cryptophil t-shirt. So, yun po. Papasalamat na po tayo kay Cryptophil. Thank you, Cryptophil.
Maraming salamat po, Crypto Tail.